Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about some of the most common repairs that we see coming into our facility still. Some of these need to be avoided. Obviously, they can turn into safety issues, so that's why we're kind of talking about it today. Number one is tires. We see an awful lot of people driving around on tires that are worn out. As you can see, this tire here is down to the wear bars. This is less than 2/32. Very unsafe tread depth on a tire to have on the road, especially during a rainy condition. Number two is brakes. Brakes on your vehicle should be inspected regularly to make sure that we have plenty of pad left. As you can see, this is a rotor that's damaged that came into the shop, had gone metal to metal and all the way into the fins of the rotor. This is a very dangerous situation and can cause loss of hydraulic pressure in the system and a brake pedal that fades or goes to the floor. We want to make sure we're inspecting brakes regularly when a vehicle gets its regular service to prevent this kind of wear and tear. Third one is a timing belt. We've often seen timing belts that damage, pull the cogs off of them. They need to be replaced at the proper time and mileage per the manufacturer to prevent internal engine damage. Tire pressure monitors are often bad on vehicles. We see that too, plus worn out suspension components. By inspecting your vehicle regularly, you can prevent unwanted repairs.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.